happening in the Tampa Bay real estate market. My name is Jillian Jamison. I'm with the Jamison team at Lively Real Estate, and I'm here to answer that question. So the Realtor Association, the Florida Realtors, just released statistics for July 2022, and I'm going to share that with you. So I'm going to share my screen so you can see what is going on. This is for single family home sales throughout the Tampa Bay area. So that is Hillsborough, Pasco, Pinellas, and Hernando counties. So I'm going to start here with closed sales. So you can see in July, we had a decrease in closed sales, almost 25% from last July. So that is a pretty big decrease. Going down, you can see that we've been seeing a decrease monthly pretty much since the beginning of the year. I will say that these decreases at the beginning of the year were probably more so due to just the lack of inventory. There were less homes to sell, but these recent decreases are more so due to the fact that we have had a lot of buyers sitting on the sidelines. We saw a sharp increase in mortgage interest rates this year, and that made a lot of buyers pause. So we have been seeing less activity. The market is starting to normalize. So that would be a big reason for the decrease in the closed sales. Going down, you can see median sales price, $415,000. Was the median sales price in July. That is up almost 23% from last July. But notice that we did see a small dip in median sales price between June and July, about a $3,000 dip. We also saw the same thing in the average sales price. So the average sales price was at $505,000, again about a 23% increase from last July, but almost a $15,000 decrease from June. So, and that's something we've been seeing into August as well. So one question we've been getting from sellers is, did I miss the boat? Well, keep in mind that you're still up 23% from last July. So no, you didn't miss the boat, but you may have missed the peak prices in the real estate market a couple months ago. But you're still doing fantastic equity-wise if you look at it that way. So just something to keep in mind if you're thinking about selling. Inventory, we finally have inventory again. This is helping to promote a healthy market. So we saw an 85% increase in inventory from last July, and we're at 1.9 months of inventory, which is the most we have seen in a long, long time. So we are creeping back more towards a normal, healthy market right now with the increase in inventory and the decrease in demand. That's helping create that normal market. So our suggestions right now, if you are thinking about buying, decide if it is the right time for you and your family to buy a home right now. Some things to consider. Interest rates are fluctuating daily. Nobody knows where they're going to go, but a lot of economists are predicting that they will continue to increase. So right now, interest rates are, right in the 5 to 5.5% range. Historically, that is still extremely low. That is still a very good interest rate. And there is a chance that they could continue to go up quite a bit to hedge inflation. So just something to consider. Also, another thing to consider is if they do happen to go down again in the future, you can always refinance your loan. But I think the biggest thing to consider right now, if you're thinking about buying, is that you are not having to deal with the crazy bidding wars again. A few months ago, it honestly was an absolute nightmare to buy a home. You were having to compete against 20 other offers to get a home. It was so stressful. You don't have to deal with that right now. So that is a fantastic thing if you are in the market to buy a home and you decide right now is the time for you. Now, if you're thinking about selling, I hit on this earlier, but again, you did not miss the boat. You still have a ton of equity in your home. And also, it makes it easier for you to buy a new home and make that move right now because the market isn't as competitive. So really, it's still a fantastic time to sell your home right now. If you have any questions, if you are in the market to buy or sell, please reach out to us. We would love to help you. We have a full team of agents here, happy to help any day of the week. Please don't hesitate to reach out, or if you just have questions, we're here for you as well. Thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Jillian Jamison. I'm with the Jamison team at Lively Real Estate, and we are opening the door to your next home. Take care.